Hello, in this video I will show you how you can merge two documents in MS Word. For this, for example, I have two documents. First I open the file. Here you can see that the 3 pages in this document. And 7 pages in this document. So for this, you need to open the Word. Click on blank document and then click on insert and then go to the object and then pick the text from file. Pick the location and then select the both document and click on insert. Here you can see that all pages have been merged. Now these are total 10 pages. You can save them, file, save as, desktop, and give the name. And click on save. Close the file and here you can see that the file is combined. So open it and you can see that the two files has been merged. So I hope you have learned how to merge the two documents in MS Word. So if you think the video is supportive and helpful, then support my channel. Thanks for watching.